Hi, this is Jeline from the Honors Tutorial. Our topic for today is about division of monomials. This is under Mathematics 7. Let's divide monomials. Our example number 1 is m raised to 4, n raised to 7 over m raised to 5, n cubed. So what are we going to do? So we will be subtracting the exponents. Let's have m first. So that is m raised to 4 minus 5. M raised to 4 minus 5 is equal to m raised to negative 1. If it is negative, please put it here below and then please make the exponent positive. So that is m raised to 1. How about for n? So that is n raised to 7 minus 3. To 7 minus 3, that is 4. So n raised to 4. It is a positive number, so therefore automatically it should be placed here in your numerator. But it is not yet the final answer because as you can see here, we have here an obvious 1 as an exponent. We don't want that. We don't usually write 1 as the exponent. We keep it as an invisible number. So therefore, we will write it as n raised to 4 over m because 1 should be invisible. So the final answer is n raised to 4 over n. Let's have another. For example number 2, the given is negative 12x raised to 8y over 15x raised to 4 y raised to 5. So let's have the numbers first. So we have here negative 12 over 15. What I want you to do here is to think of a number that when you divide by 12 and 15 will give you no remainder. Please don't mind about the negative sign first. Um, the number that can divide 12 and 15 is 3. Let's try it. Just copy the negative sign. So negative 12 divided by 3, so that is 4. And then 15 divided by 3, that's 5. So we have here negative 4 over 5 as our numerical coefficient. So let's write it here. So we have here the fraction bar and then let's write here negative 4 over 5. How about the exponents, the variable together with its exponents? So let's have the x raised to 8 minus 4. Let's subtract it. So we have here x raised to 8 minus 4, that's 4. So as you can see, it is a positive variable. So and exponent, so therefore we should place it in our numerator. So x raised to 4. And then after that, we still have y. So we have to subtract it. So that is y raised to 1. Again, we have here 1, but it is invisible and we are keeping it invisible unless we need it. So y raised to 1 minus 5. So that is equal to y raised to negative 4. It is a negative number, so therefore we have to write it here below and then make the exponent positive. And that's it. That's the final answer. Negative 4x raised to 4 over 5y raised to 4. That is for number 2. Let us have our next example. So that is for number 3. So we have here 4x squared y raised to 12 over 8y raised to 15. So let's have the number first. So we have here 4 over 8. Kindly think of a number that can divide the numerator and denominator at the same time without remainder. If you are thinking of 2, it's fine, you can use it. If you are thinking of 4, it is fine also and you can use it. But my advice is this. kindly choose the biggest number possible that can divide your numerator and denominator at the same time without remainder, because it will lead you to the final answer. Unlike when you choose 2, you will still be needing to simplify it until you reach the final answer. So, choosing the least possible number that can divide the given will consume a lot of time, because you will do the simplification over and over again. So, I will use 4 here because it is the biggest possible number that can divide 4 and 8. So 4 divided by 4, that's 1. 8 divided by 4, that's 2. So it is the final answer for 4 over 8. It is because there's no number that can divide 1 and 2 at the same time without remainder. So let me just write it here. And then let's have the variables. So for x squared, we don't have any variable for x in our denominator. So you will just copy it. And then we are going to simplify y raised to 12. So that is y raised to 12 minus 15. And then that is equal to y raised to negative 3. As you can see, it is a negative number. So therefore, we have to write it here in our denominator and then change this into a positive exponent. So is this the final answer? No, it's not. It is because you can still see 1 here. If 1 is used as the numerical coefficient, please do not write it and make it invisible. So your final answer should be x squared over 2y cubed. And that's it. That is the final answer. So that is all for dividing monomials. I hope that you have learned something today about this topic. If you have inquiries about us, the honors tutorial, you may message us in our FB page. You can comment down below in our YouTube channel. Thank you and God bless.